Hi guys, VST here, Venice Tech. Welcome back on the channel. I'm continuing to dwell in the Android 12 DP1 or Developer Preview 1. Some new things that I found and some hidden things that I was able to enable via AVIF commands. The first thing though is the new magnification feature, which I think was already there in Android 11, but the new thing here is that apparently you can now get this zoom magnification in a window, right? When I go like this, guys, you see I'm gonna get like a full screen magnification, right? So right now I can just do it with one finger, probably also pin to zoom, but when I do and press here, I'm getting this little window where you can apparently just get the magnification into a little window. And let me just try if this works as well. Yes, apparently also pinch out to zoom works inside here, so that's a kind of a neat feature. I'm not really sure if you have some problems with your eyes or you're using a rather small device like I do. Boom, there it is. Interesting feature is also how you can get this. So when you just do like this, there is this gesture and it goes directly to this magnification. So right now I am with this small window, and if I press here, I'm gonna get to the full size magnification. Now apparently this functionality is reachable via the settings. So if you go to the settings, let me just show you guys. I am right now into the settings. So you see I've also activated this new Silky home display that is like one-handed display. We just have here a bigger settings, and let me just show you guys. If I go to the battery, we have a bigger battery title here. Also when I go to the storage, we see a better or bigger storage title. A lot of people are hinting that this is going to be the one-handed mode for Android 12. There is also a dedicated one-handed mode that pretty much seems to be like Apple's reachability, but I'm not yet able to activate that one. When you do like this, apparently this whole screen goes below and that's it. But okay, this is still to come. Also with testing the theming options, I am not yet there, and yeah, strangely enough, not a lot of people are sharing their knowledge. Like all the big sites that I ask don't really want to share AVIF commands, and I do understand because everybody really want to be first. But let me just show you guys. If you go and scroll down to accessibility, there is something called magnification. When you click into the magnification, you see I'm gonna disable it right now. I'm gonna enable it, and then you are able to use this swipe up feature with these two fingers, right? So let's say I want to do like this, and boom, you know, I can get to the magnification and apparently use this. Now there is also something important, guys, and I showed this in my first video. There is something called reduce bright colors. I've shown this feature, reduce bright colors, in my first video I made. You can watch the first and the second video here. And the interesting thing is that this reduce bright colors is also activated right now with this swipe up with two fingers. So when you enable the reduce bright colors and also the magnification feature and you do like this, then sometime the UI is going to ask you, okay, what do you want to do? Right, so this is just the simple explanation. I was also able to enable two of these secret features here in the quick tiles, and please guys, don't expect some mind-blowing features, but we have here a quick tile to block the camera and one to move the microphone, and let's just test them. So right now I'm just gonna open my camera. We see that the camera opens. I'm gonna record a video. See, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. I just want to make sure that also the microphone works. Okay, that's my cat. Let me just see. Video works, microphone works. All right, let me just first now use the block camera. So apparently this is supposed to kill the camera. Now I'm gonna start my camera. Okay. To continue, camera needs access to your device camera. Now you can apparently turn this on. All right, let's see what happens if I turn this on. This is gonna be unclicked. All right, again, so block camera one more time. Opening the camera. Right now, guys, I'm gonna do cancel. And yeah, okay, I still can do pictures. What about the microphone? Let me just go here and click the mute microphone. All right, I have also an application here. Let me just try to record something. Okay, it doesn't really work. To continue, voice recorder needs access to your microphone. Let's press cancel, and we can just still see that we are not recording. I don't think that we are. Let me just show you why. Because if I just go and unblock the microphone, we should be able to see the recording right now. And to see that actually we are recording, let's just try to test this one. Okay, recording stop. Okay, we can apparently play it. Okay, you see nothing? The recording right now. Yeah, it's working. All right, so these two new settings to apparently block the camera and the microphone. The blocking camera doesn't really work or works partially. Let's do another test. I'm gonna block the camera again and I'm gonna run the open camera. Okay, now it's good that we have this notification, but what is not good is that even if we press cancel, we are able to take pictures. Okay, but anyway, it's just some very early hints on what is to come in Android 12, where apparently privacy is a big thing. I really hope, guys, that you like this video. With that said, VST, over and bye, and don't throw your phones. Don't do as I did. So this is really very soft on the ground. So again, guys, please, you and your families, stay safe, and we're gonna catch up in one of my next videos. VST, over and bye.